Yo, we're gonna rock the whole crowd, come to your town, smash the door down, trash the whole room, kick the walls in, night to morning, then we do it again, it's adrenaline.
What we spit, beautiful and grotesque. Swim with us in the abyss to the deep depths. Take a deep breath, strike your lungs like a deadly pathogen. Let the assassins in. Loss of oxygen leads to hospitals. Loss of optical and audio optional, but not optimal. Octagonal, box you in, stronger than oxen, friend. Accidents happen, I'm a phenomenon. Looking at me is like staring at the ring too long. You have 7 days. Witness one of the greatest efforts we've ever made. I'm a heavyweight, swinging like butterbean. I'ma cut you clean, like a submachine. Gun and run, it's fun to chase someone. In space the shots I pop on top of bass
We're
drums.
gonna rock the whole crowd, come to your town, smash the door down, trash the whole room, kick the walls in, night to morning, then we do it again, it's adrenaline.
Off, well I'm off on my tangent, detective agent, lieutenant who's menacing you left with abrasions. Face the day like a vacation, chasing fun, sun and money, then it's back to the basement. Feels good taking it back to the basics, like when I was hungry running around in my Asics. S&M is like the new cool band that everybody be buzzing about at newsstands. Who's Dan, you wanna know? A loose cannon man, and it began with the tapes moving hand in hand. I'm writing under chandeliers, something strange going on like Langoliers. This is one of them songs you can bang for years. Adrenaline through your heart, we smash the unaware.
We're gonna rock the whole crowd, come to your town, smash the door down, trash the whole room, kick the walls in, night to morning, then we do it again, it's adrenaline. Rock the whole crowd, come to your town, smash the door down, trash the whole room, kick the walls in, night to morning, then we do it again, it's adrenaline.